HD scanners. So that you can use, this is for trucks, for school buses, that you can use this. Or small cars, or like this, usually you can fix it. So the HD, I don't know, figure out whatever solution to use for, but you can fix it. Just touch hand, like in vehicles, like you use this one right here, as you can see. Put it in water. Scanners here, so you can move it up. Squeeze at the same time, so the computer will be loaded for it. Nice Ultra Pro computer that you can use, and you can see it at the same time. This is not on, usually costs like about $4,000, $5,000 to
My brother, you throw something up in this morning. What up? Hey, my boss.
Yeah, man, what's going on, man?
Good, good, good.